Okie dokie. Today I'm going to show you how to hang some house numbers on a few scrap pieces of wood you can find in your garage. Can I get a 4? Can I get a 111? Can I get... All I'm doing is taking the 3 pieces of wood, lining them up here, and in some cases maybe you just want 2 pieces of wood, but I'm going to use 3 in my case. And I want it right here with the long piece in the middle and the 2 short ones at the top and the bottom. This one actually has a 45 cut. These 2 have stickers on the back. Nothing special, just cheap wood, cheap scrap wood. Okay, they're 1x4s. And I'm gonna put the numbers on here like this. But first I've found the place that I want my wood and I'm gonna tack these in. Just like you'll notice on these numbers, there's little holes right here. Those little holes are for screws, and you want to put screws into your siding. You could just put it right into the siding if you want to, or do anything really, but that's the screw holes. So, hello 411. Let's come in and take a closer look at this. Okay, all there is to it is those little trim nails that I put in with the air compressor and trim nailer. And then these numbers were about $2 each at Lowe's, and they came with screws, but they were dinky, so I used my 2-inch screws. There's 3 inside this one and 2 inside these. That's all there is to it. And my screws are long enough to go through the wood and into the siding, so this is really durable. If you like this video or you like this idea, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to the channel if you like home improvement videos, and I'll see you next time.